Hi guys. Basically, we are the participating in the hackathon, global hackathon. So there is a project for me to create that one. So I just tried to create and list them. Yeah, so just I'm using the AI for that, and I have just one idea, so I just execute that one. it will going to be smooth and too easy for the everyone. And I have one more project for that, and it was very big for us, but maybe it will take more time. So we don't have too much time to further create, but we just try to too fast for that because we don't have too much time, and we'll integrate it with help us for that to do other things like only we need to like connect it with the Node.js and our Postgres and with some APIs endpoint, maybe like that we need to add. But yeah, I mean it's not going to be boring for, but it's too easy for, and the results can verify and yeah. And one more thing, I need to check the Slack also. Maybe the team is coming. One of them from Romania and one of them from the Saudi Arab. So basically, we have a total five members of that, but basically most of the 3% are from the international members. We are not sure about that how it's really going to do, but maybe it will take too much time. Yeah, so it's suggesting accept all the changes what you have done and how we can run that. So basically, we can run with the npm day or like that, and it will be good. Yeah, so basically, we need to take a new terminal for that and just do the npm run day. And okay, okay. So basically, we got the some cache here. That's okay. Mm, yeah. So basically, I just connect with that things, and it's the was some Synapse chat for the our database. And my team is planning to be connect the database with that something different things, but I don't want to connect with that. We can use that. Yeah, yeah. So just saying like error connecting to the server. Why we getting this error? We really don't know about that. I just name of the WhatsApp chat and we can chat with that. Okay, so inside you have a Postgres database running the update in the database URL .env, right? And you need to add IBM key project ID in the backend of env file. So we need to go in that file, and here we have that one. And yeah, what's on your project ID, right? So this one and your what's on API key. So basically, I have these things in my mail. Just once again, we need to go there and check. I'm gonna hide, but it's only for the 1 month, and it's good for us. Right? So save that, save that. Now it's also something like promotion, not a promotion, maybe the primary maybe it's coming like here, this way. Yeah, actually, I have a lot of mail. I need to check once where I have. So basically, it's so it's so sure and I'm not claiming about it. Go on. So yeah, I got the mail from the NASA actually also. So basically, yeah, I've been proud, right? So this one, my account ID, I got the account ID, and okay, so how we can test the API key and the WhatsApp project ID. So basically, I have this only the account ID or something like T5, F9 like that. Find out once I join the Cloud Fire, it is on how to join. It's going to search on the IBM. I think the Postgres database URL. So basically, we need to connect with that Postgres database URL, also the Postgres. Okay, so I don't have anything currently in a Postgres. So basically, it's going to be open an invitation email and join now. Log in your IBM ID, create now globally and change server. What if you're not already? Okay, so just click on a join now. And log in your IBM ID, create one. Once logged in, change your active account to the version. Good. If it is not already selected, get your API key via IBM Cloud and manage IBM API key from the sidebar. Create the name and example chatbot key. Okay, so copy that one. Okay, 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 got it. Now it's going for the verify, and the first time you log in or something like that. So IBM will verify that things, and yeah. So now I am on the dashboard right now. After that, we can see the integrity. What he's saying like create a locked and change your active account to the Watson XI account if it's not already selected. Get your API in the IBM Cloud Console, go to manage. Okay, so we need to go on the manage with the manage. Okay, after the manage and we got the manage. So after that, to the manage accidentally API key. Okay, we got it. We need to go and click create a name and example like chatbot key, copy it as you want to see it and find the project ID. So go to the project ID and copy the project ID. Okay. So I got the key that one, and it was going to be like Watson API, right? So I got this key and I just pasted here. You can see, and yeah, and if I directly will go with that, and okay, so Watson find a project ID. Go to the Watson AI platform, create once a project. Go to the project and manage a project ID. Just and copy the project ID, update your code, API and project type. So go ahead, one thing, just open it. Let's until it's opening again. We don't need to time, only we need one time, and that's it. I think the project ID is this one, maybe. I think I need to take a help with my team. So the project must have the project ready. Right? Create a one project. Go to the project manage tab. Copy the project ID. Okay, but I'm unable to create a project. Not right here. Set it off. Go to manage guarantee user trusted API key. So if you're talking about the API key, so we have these things, and for the I check once. If it is same this one, so it will be maybe I think just save it and run. So here is my local host and so if I'm going to show you this one, yeah, give me 1 second. I just want to show you something. Basically, I have a one video for if we're talking like live streaming. So basically, I have this. So here you can see just when I'm going to say like hi, good morning. So he's saying sorry, I could not process that. Basically, maybe the problem with the key and something different have I so here. We don't know. We just try to resolve that problem, but maybe it will take. So, no, actually, I have many windows for that. We are not sure about if it's working properly and which it's not. It will maybe take some time to find that one. Hackathon integrity. I think this one. Yeah, yeah, this is the correct. So basically, when I'm going to like, and one more thing, I don't have a Postgres for that, and I didn't connect with that Postgres, and it's saying like Postgres, your password and the local host chatbot DB. So just we need to create a one chatbot DB for that in the Postgres, and the password also we need to always use the Postgres. Yeah. So exact same we need to put in the Postgres, and we can say like a yeah, Postgres as well we have right. Yeah. So when a Postgres, I just come with that. I will check once, and if it's not working proper way, and we are not sure about that how it's work or not, we can say PG admin like that. PG admin we have. We can say Postgres. Sometimes it's going to be error because we are not sure about It's going to be a lot of time to you. So I'm going to define my chatbot DB like chatbot DB. We have a chatbot DB and the Postgres password is there like Postgres also. So we don't have any changes for that. Just Postgres. Okay, so Postgres. Yeah, and I'm going to define the database in a pgadmin because when we use the pgadmin, so we don't need to define anything in the pgadmin or something different like any queries or we need to not need to write anything right there. We just it's so going to be simple for us guys, but I hope it will going to reflect on some other places also. Yeah. Maybe it will take some time or not yet. So, but the problem. Okay, so my pgadmin is taking too much time to be loading because I was reading something that different for things also. So it will take a little bit time. That's also yeah, it will go with the what I'm going to use here. Just let's check with the packet or JSON node one, Nodeman and the .env Express and PG. Yeah, system the PG right 8.8 that one PG. And we have a backend error no test specified for the exit one and the keywords have an array only. So it's a PG admin server could not be connected. Okay, so basically we have some problem with by that. I just need to one configure and yeah, okay, that's nice one. Go to the document and I think we need to close that one and we need to run. For last year, the hi, Pawan, how are you? Hi, Pawan, hi, hi, everyone, how are you? Yeah, that's no need to subscribe and like, right? If you're not looking, it's not for your content and maybe it's your life and depending to you. That's okay. Okay, so I'm going to pin your message on the chat box at the top. You can see here, Komal. Where are you from, Komal? So my Postgres is ready now because there was some issue. The password was already defined. Yeah, so I have mostly I have a database in the 15 database currently now. I have like ecom, HM email, and HM Megas MQ like that we have. And interview also we have one of that. And when we have the cloud kitchen and goodies and appointment audit messaging there to do interview postgres and receive system. We have a totally 15 postgres database currently there. That's okay. We need to create one more, right? Because if we go to create anything, so yeah, so what we do go to the name of our database, so just the database name, it's a chatbot DB. Because if we will to define anything in the node, so then we need to use that chatbot DB. Okay, so I just defined that one and I need to run in a here. Okay, so maybe it will take a little bit of time. I just refresh and that's okay. So go on there and check. Sorry, could not play. Again, same things I'm getting ISO here. It's also yeah. I want to show you something here for entire screen and that's one there. Yeah. So I am your WhatsApp's AI and how can I help you today? So basically, sorry, I could not process that. I don't know why we're getting this issue, but maybe it's the problem with that or something. I have different. Yeah, that's the problem. We check once if we go the hackathon integrated, right? This one we need to share on video and things is. The problem, I think we have the problem with my .env file at this one maybe, and I just check once again why we're getting like this type of issue. So basically, I think the problem with my project ID, what's the project ID? I think I just check with the IBM also. Uh, if we go there, everything. So I'm going to share once the ID what I have right now. So currently I'm here. So I will just try to find out my. So I have a one API key for the chatbot key here. Just I mentioned there, and the date I was created. This one, like today, like that I was created. 31, right? And the status is working with the pro expire is never going to expire, and we don't have anything related of the project ID, right? So we don't have any project ID, so I think we need to create the project ID. That's okay. I just try to connect, but how we will connect, we really don't have any idea. So we could just add to that file and where we have how we can find the project ID. So we have a chatbot and we have a password for the Postgres. We have this password like Postgres, right? And okay, we will just check what's with that also. Maybe the problem with the password also. We're not sure, but we need to check. So this user interface is working properly and it's looking good, I think. And we need to change these things from the JSON and I just define these things, right? So just see what is the reply here. We can find the project ID, so we just need to wait. It will take a little bit time. Okay, let's check your comment or something if you have guys. Oh, okay, so basically, oh, okay, I forgot to share the proper one. Is to be able to share the only this one. Yeah. So if you guys, so if you want to learn anything about these things and how it will going to work and how we guys handle these things, so it's not too tough. It will a little bit yeah, it's a little bit easy. So today's Saturday, I think in the India, and currently I'm from the India right now, and I just checked these things with the hackathon IBM. Our team now participated in the global hackathon IBM, and we have a five members there. So the three members from the Romania, and I'm just from the India, and one more member from the Saudi Arabia. So basically, we have totally five members, and we're just going to do the hackathon global, and we just try to resolve that issues what we're getting, and we have a one more fantastic project for that. Maybe it will take little bit time, so we yeah, I'll just watch how we can find the project ID. Okay, so that's what, and we just need to visit the gate that here we can see we have a exercise IAM, and basically we have these things in AWS also. There we can use the features of the AIM also. So if you guys wanted to use, yeah, it will be reflected or something. So if actually I'm planning to check once something about that things. I don't know why it's taking so much time. That's all. The problem with my project ID actually, the project ID, I don't know why we getting the issue with the project ID. I didn't find that IBM project ID. How we can find? I just checked with my AI system and maybe it will take a little bit time. And my tokens are also going to be expire here. Uh, I just Google also how we can find IBM Cloud Project ID. So it's like log in the IBM Cloud Console, click on the menu, usually menu of the type tab, and select the project and choose the project if new or the list. So click on the navigation menu icon where we got the navigation icon. So okay, so we have the projects here, but we don't have any projects right now in there. And after that, select the project and choose the project unit from the list. Okay, so go on to that things. If we don't have anything, so just we need to create one project here. Looks like have not added any projects. Click here to create and get started. Okay, so that's okay. Looks like you don't have a correct access to the following access is required. The editor or editor role on IBM Cloud project service. So if I need to request the okay, so I just signing here and that's okay. Central Studio multi icon environment after the system of first page. Yes, so how I can create? I just need to check with my teammate. I will check once and With that, I didn't found that my can I'm not able to run my or I don't know why. That's okay. So basically, we have in a I just check once like CD and the tab. Right? So CD dot not in the database. Oh, so basically, if you go on there, so how we can go the step back? If you have any idea, just I think like this type. No, something else. Something I think going. That's okay. We can remove that one and we can go again. Just go in the open terminal and actually we can move it there and CD. So when we're going to connect on the tab, so it's just asking the you want to do backend or something like that. So you can move just there and one more thing. We just check with node for the node server.js, right? Because we have this one. And we got the some error here because what's the error? You can just server different port 15,000, 5,000 have and usually and so do one thing just copy and paste it to here. So what he going to just resolve that things we can remove and yeah so basically he just asking if you have anything so yeah so we are going to again back here. I think that we have some network issue. So if I share screen so you can see just we have a hackathon integrity I used there. So the problem with that the user ID sorry not a user ID it's project ID right? Because we can go in the .env in env you can see the project ID are like 2996898 right this one. I think it's wrong. It's not that the sufficient for that. I think the problem with have and so I need to check with my team the team in currently in right now in Romania. Romania